everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the twin stitch, which you can see here in front of you. This is a wonderfully easy crochet stitch pattern to work and features these paired half double crochet stitches. The pattern is the same on both sides, making it a great stitch pattern for a variety of projects. You can let me know how you would use this stitch in a crochet project down in the comments below. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook, along with some cotton yarn. This is the Pima Cotton by Lion brand. You'll find links to both of these items in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials such as this one. Now our stitch pattern today is worked in rows, so we're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain, and our foundation chain today is going to be an odd number of stitches. So today I'm just going to chain 21. Once you have your foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to simply work a single crochet into the first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so into the top of your first stitch, work a single crochet and then single crochet into each stitch all the way around, or all the way across. At the end of row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. We're now going to work some of those half double crochet stitches. We're going to begin by working a half double crochet into our first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You're then going to skip the next stitch and then work 2 half double crochet stitches under the next stitch. So you're skipping your next stitch and then working 2 half double crochets under the next. So just insert your hook under that next stitch. You're going to draw your half double crochet stitches up to the height of your first half double crochet. Skip the next stitch and work 2 more half double crochets under the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next stitch and work 2 half double crochet stitches under the next. Skip the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets under the next, all the way across your work. When you come all the way across and have 1 stitch remaining, you're simply going to half double crochet into that final stitch. You should continue to have the same number of stitches as your first and second row. So in my case, I still have 20 stitches. Then for the repeat in the pattern, you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3. So at the end of your row 3, you chain 1, turn your work, and repeat your row 2, which was a single crochet into that first stitch, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. I'm going to work one more repeat of the row 3, just so that you can see where the stitches will fall as you work your repeats from here on end. So I'm now repeating row 2. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across. At the end of your row 2 repeat, chain 1, turn your work. Half double crochet into that first stitch, skip the next stitch, and work 2 half double crochets under the next. So when you're looking at your work, you're going to work those half double crochet stitches right on top of the ones down below. So over top of the next stitch and under it, 1 half double crochet and 2. Skip the next stitch. Once again, work 2 half double crochets under the next stitch. And you're going to repeat this all the way across. Chain 1, turn your work, and then once again, repeat that row 2. So repeat rows 2 and 3 for as long as you would like. Then fasten off, weave in your ends, and that is how you work this wonderful twin stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, check out the Crochet Stitches playlist, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.